The MillRight CNC Mega V comes in a few different flavors. You've got the 19 by 19 CNC router. It's big brother of 35 by 35 CNC router. We also have a plasma version that's really cool. It's the same 35 by 35 size. It comes on a welded steel construction water table, standing on legs. It's black powder coated for durability. It's a really nice system. What's cool about that one is we have an optional bed that you can place on top of the water table. You pull out your torch, you put in the DeWalt router, you're ready to use your plasma machine as a CNC router. So the same footprint, the same machine, two purposes. It's going to be really productive for your shop. Now, some cool features that we built into this machine. A rack and pinion drive system. You do not see a rack and pinion drive system at this price point. It's a really high precision rack and pinion system. We've been careful to select high quality components in this rack and pinion system. Now the Z-axis has our proven lead screw Z with an anti-backlash nut. It's going to give you quick rapids because we're using a really powerful Z motor, and you're going to get great detail out of things like 3D carvings. Now we also have some really cool accessories that people are going to be excited about. My favorite is the fourth axis. It's a Rotary Axis. It's got a 3-jaw chuck with a powerful NEMA 23 motor turning it. It also has a tailstock that has a live center built in. So if you need to engrave or cut a long piece, you can turn that supported by that tailstock with a live center. That's going to allow you to make some really cool stuff. Your friends are going to be jealous. Now, one of the things that we really set out to do when we made this machine was to build the most rigid machine possible for the money. We have a 100 by 60 millimeter, really thick aluminum extrusion that we custom made for this. We went through a lot of iterations to get this one right, and we have an awesome extrusion with a very large V-wheel that's going to outperform any other V-wheel on the market. I think you're going to like it. You got to check this out.